My name is Jerry Thomas. I'm the Vice Chairman and Treasurer of the Chicago Maritime Museum. The program today was kids, youth empowered. They came up to do a program, sailing program with Jackson Park, our good friends, and then they came to the museum to hear an afternoon with Bill Pinckney and learn a little bit about what Bill did when he went around the world, and also to help us capture that as part of an exhibit that we want to do in honor of Captain Bill. The museum's job is to educate kids. We have maybe 50 schools in the 2-mile radius of where we're at right now, and many of the kids would become another Captain Bill if they could figure out why they ought to do it. And I hope this would be exciting for them and you know, something that would say, hey, if he could do it, I could do it. And look what he's accomplished, and then we have all these kids in the neighborhood, look what they could accomplish. So normally people think of a museum as just sort of artifacts. Chicago's maritime history is about how the city was built, how it used engineering, society, art, architecture, knowledge of geography. All of those things go into what made Chicago and continues to make Chicago. What we want to do is communicate that to kids, especially in the early years when they have a chance to become somebody new. I was really very pleased to see all the kids that showed up from Jackson Park. Obviously, at the grassroots, you build an exhibit, you have somebody like Captain Bill that tells a great story. We have to get the story not just to kids, but to people who can pay for an exhibit. So please save the date, October 26th. We will do an in-person and hybrid version of fundraiser. It will be exciting. We will have some food and some games, and we hope to raise much more than our goal of 100K.
I am excited to meet Captain Bill Pinckney.
He sailed around the world by himself?
I think it's going to be peaceful but also stressful.
That's pretty impressive, really.